Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on disabling the SIM pin on iPhone. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Open up the Settings app on your phone. In Settings, tap Mobile Data. Then select SIM pin. Tap the toggle to the right of SIM pin to turn it off. You will need to enter your SIM pin in order to disable it. Enter it here and then tap Done. Your SIM pin is now disabled. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more iPhone tips and tricks.